Hello and welcome to Sam Action Box. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to operate Photoshop, just the basic tools and techniques that is required for day-to-day basic Photoshop uses. Photoshop is graphics editor developed and published by Adobe Systems for Windows and Mac OS. Let's directly dive into Photoshop without wasting any time. So currently I'm using Photoshop 2020. If you guys want to download this software and install it, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to download some free images from pixels.com. So let's say we download this image, save it to this PC, and then open Photoshop. Then you simply need to go to File and Open. Then open the image we downloaded. Okay, let's get started with some very basic tools. The first one is the Move tool. Second one is the rectangular marquee tool or elliptical marquee tool. Third one is the crop tool. Fourth one is the text tool, and fifth one is the rectangular tool. As you guys can see, if I right click here, then you'll find different sets of tools. Same here. Let's start with the marquee tool. If you select this, then the proportion of this image is gonna be selected. If you press and hold Shift key, then drag, then you are gonna get a perfect square. Same here, perfect circle. You select this, then press Ctrl plus D to deselect the area. Now let's select and press and hold Alt key. Now this is gonna subtract the selection. If you again press and hold Alt key, then you start subtracting the selection. If you press Shift key, then you are going to add the selection. Alt key, you are going to subtract. Then if you hold the Shift key, then you are going to add the selection. Press Alt key on your keyboard and then scroll up, which will zoom in the image. If you scroll down, then it's going to zoom out the image. So if you want to move the image, then you simply need to use this hand tool, then drag the image. So press Alt, zoom in, zoom out, then press and hold the spacebar key. Then you can simply drag the image just like this. Let's take a look at this magic wand tool. Let's see how it works. Then it's going to select the similar colors. If you press and hold Shift key, then again if you click, then it's gonna add the selection, right? So for example, you take the elliptical marquee tool, then press and hold Alt, then you drag here, then it's gonna delete the selection. Similarly, if you hold the Shift key, then cover this image, then it's gonna add the selection. Let's add the selection. Let's add the selection. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's try and download some pictures of sky. Let's download this. Save. File. Open. Then photo of blue sky. Now we're going to use this Move tool, right? So Move tool is going to move this layer and then get it there. I'm going to drag this layer Just wait a little bit, then release. Now it's a little bit smaller here. We're gonna press Ctrl plus T. These shortcuts are very useful in day-to-day life, so you can memorize this. Now you can simply drag it here, press enter. Let's try it with a different image. Let's download group of people. Okay, let's say this. File open, then open. So here in Adobe Photoshop 2020 we have a new tool. This is object selection tool, so which is powered by Adobe Sensei artificial intelligence. Now here you can simply select this tool, then select this person. Now the AI is gonna automatically select the subject just like this. So with the object selection tool you can simply select subject here. Let's give it a try. Select subject. Now this tool is going to automatically select all the subject automatically here. We don't need to use magic wand tool nor quick selection tool or any other tools. This is going to work simply perfect. Select this person. Let's select this girl. It doesn't work 100%, but works pretty good. Try with shift and then select this area. It's gonna improve, right? So if you try and hold shift key again, then again select, then this artificial intelligence is gonna detect automatically and then fix. You can try it yourself, as you guys can see. Now if you want to duplicate this layer, simply press Alt key, then with the move tool on, we simply need to drag this layer. Okay, so just press the Alt key. I'm holding the Alt key on my keyboard. Drag this girl just like this, press Ctrl T, right click, you can flip horizontal, drag it here, then press the enter key, then Ctrl plus D to deselect. This video is to be continued. Let's have a break today. You guys practice the techniques I taught you today and I'll be back soon. If you found this video informative, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about my latest updates. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you soon.